Hi, this video is about the Caribou Mathematics Contest. I'm going to show the solution for the November 2013 Grade 11-12 Contest, question 21. So the question is, x plus 1 over x equals square root of 3. Then x cubed plus 1 over x cubed equals... So looking at this expression, this reminds us of x plus 1 over x in brackets cubed, but with some terms missing. So, for this question, we will want to calculate what x plus 1 over x in brackets cubed is. So, in order to calculate that, we will need to know the binomial formula for a plus b in brackets cubed. So if you do not know the binomial formula for this, well, then you can just take a plus b in brackets and multiply by itself 2 times. So a cubed plus, then we have 3 times a squared times b. Then we have 3 times a times b squared, and we have plus b cubed. So again, we want to calculate what x plus 1 over x in brackets cubed is. So we know that if we cube the left-hand side, we must also cube the right-hand side. So we know that the square root of 3 cubed is, well, square root of 3 times square root of 3 is 3 times the square root of 3. So now we will use the same binomial formula for x plus 1 over x in brackets cubed. So we have x cubed plus 3 times x squared times 1 over x, so x squared over x. Then we have plus 3 times x times 1 over x squared, and then we have 1 over x cubed. So looking at the question, what we want to find out is the sum of these two numbers, x cubed and 1 over x cubed. So we will write x cubed plus 1 over x cubed and here the common factor is 3. So we know that the x cancels out, so we just have x plus, then the x cancels out, so we have 1 over x. So, as you can see from the question, here x plus 1 over x, we already know from the question, which is square root of 3. So instead of writing x plus 1 over x, we will write this as the square root of 3. So we have x cubed plus 1 over x cubed plus 3 times the square root of 3. Well, if you look at the left-hand side, we have also 3 times the square root of 3. So now we will cancel out both 3 times square root of 3. So we will subtract it from both sides. So we will be left with 0 on the left-hand side and on the right hand side we will just have x cubed plus 1 over x cubed. Well, if we look at the question, it's perfect because that's exactly what we want to find out, which is the sum of x cubed plus 1 over x cubed. So as you can see, we have 0 equals x cubed plus 1 over x cubed, so we know that the sum of these two terms is 0. So we know the answer is 0. If you'd like to know more about this contest, please feel free to visit our website at www.brocky.ca/caribou.